Hello everyone, you're ready to start working on your Pennsylvania research project. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get to your project and how to do a little bit of customization for your project. So on this page is the link that says, click here to work on your PA project. You're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to Google Slides. You're not going to make a new Google Slide set. You're going to click on the one that's already been shared with you. So if you scroll down on your Google Slides page, you're going to see a slide set that looks like one of these three. So I'll point them out. I just want to make the window easier for you to see. Okay, there we go. So you're either going to have the slides that look like live in Pennsylvania, working in Pennsylvania, or visiting Pennsylvania. It depends on the topic that you chose. So let's say that you chose visiting Pennsylvania. Just an example, not everyone's choice. Once you click on your slides, here's what you're going to see. So you're going to have your title page. It's going to say visiting Pennsylvania. Make sure that you put your name in the section that says by. So you would click in the text box after by and type in your name. Okay, so that slide is done. You can add a picture to that slide if you want to, but you don't have to. The next slide, I'm going to click on it, is where you tell the specific place or places that you're choosing to do your research on. So let's say that you decided to do your research on Valley Forge National Park. You would put that information right here and include a picture on this slide. Okay, after you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next slide, which is going to be your first fact about your place. Okay, so you're going to put your fact here in a complete sentence, and you're also going to include a picture on this slide. And you're going to do this for this slide, so that's one fact. You're going to do that for fact number 2, so second fact, second picture. You're going to do this for fact number 3, so third fact, third picture. You're going to do this for fact number 4, so your fourth fact and your fourth picture on this slide, and then you're going to do it for fact number 5. So your fifth fact is also going to go with a picture. Okay, after you've done all of that, you're going to move on to the next slide, which is your works cited. So if you look closely, it says, I used these websites for my project. So all you're going to do after that colon is copy and paste the websites that you use to do your research. Those websites are in the Google Slides that were shared with you already. So I'll show you where those are at. I'm just going to click back into Schoology and click the link again so that it takes me to that main page with the slides. So here's what I'm talking about. You're going to look back at the living, visiting, and working in Pennsylvania slides because those are going to have the links to where you're doing your research. That link to those particular slides will also be on this page. So let me go back to your slides. And again, if you ever need help with anything outside of this video, you can send me a message or you can come to the chat. So you've got your title slide, you've got the specific place that you chose to research, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 facts, 5 pictures, and then you're ending with your works cited. That's where you've gotten your information from for your research. Okay, so feel free to not just add pictures. You can change the font, you can change the background colors, you can change the color of the words. I want you to have fun with this because this is your project and this is your design. I'm concerned about the information, yes, but everything else, make it your own. And again, let me know if you need help with anything or if you have questions. So have fun with this, and I'll talk to you later.